Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that works with your existing software technologies to increase engineering capacity. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant that is built around SolidWorks, and helps automate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that includes 8 key areas to increase engineering capacity. Automated production work queue. Automated CAD part analysis. Automated sheet metal batch unfolding. Manufacturability testing. Automated CAM, program generation. Automated routing generation. Automated product configuration. Automated sales quote generation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes a powerful configuration engine that generates optimal routings based on CAD part parameters, that also incorporates tribal knowledge of how simple to complex parts are fabricated. This can include part dimensions, material properties, and production quantities to choose the optimal routing for parts and assemblies. The CAD part parameters serve as a foundation to embed tribal knowledge developed over decades into automated procedures that speed up the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process while reducing the dependency of relying on key personnel that may not always be available. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides a simplified and innovative approach to selecting optimal routing steps by combining CAD part parameters with tribal knowledge. The results include reducing the workload on engineering personnel and maintaining an optimal production workflow on the shop floor. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.